Water. Hi children, in this unit we are going to learn about water. Water is essential for all of us. Water covers 3/4 of the earth. We see water in wells, tanks, rivers and seas. All the creatures as well as plants need water. Hence, human beings and other animals live where water is available. That place is called a water resource. Rivers, tanks and wells are called local water resource. We see water in the sea, but they are salty and not useful neither for drinking nor for cooking. We can prepare salt from it. Most of the big cities are situated nearby rivers only. We also get water from under the surface of the earth. They are called groundwater, like springs and bore wells. In deserts, water is available at oases. Look at the picture for local water resources. A well, a public tap, a water tank, an irrigational canal, a bore well or a river. So, the place from where we get water is called the local water resource. Water and its need. We all know the importance of water. Look at the picture, how the water is used for different purposes. To clean our body or take bath. To wash clothes and to clean vessels. For drinking and cooking the food. How should we use water for drinking? We must use clean water for drinking and other purposes. Cleaning cattle and clothes nearby the water resources make water to be impure. The tap water from Gram Panchayat or municipality is mixed with chlorine. This is called as chlorination. By this, we can avoid germs and impurities from water. Otherwise, boiled or filtered water should be used. Water, the means of life. As we have read already, water is a valuable substance. It should be used carefully, otherwise we will have shortage in summer. It is said that 97% of water resource is present in the seas, which is not useful for drinking. The remaining 3% should be used for all of our common needs. The chief source of water is rain. We get rains when there is much area covered with forests. So, we must grow trees. It is sad to say that most of the people buy pure water. Wastage of water. Do you know what are the different ways of wastage of water? Taking full glass of water and throwing half of it. Using too much water for bathing and cleaning. Unrepaired taps and leakage. Throwing off once used water unnecessarily. We can use them for plants. How should we store the water? In olden days, rivers and wells are the major source of water. People fetch the water from them and store in mud pots or brass vessels. But at present, water is getting contaminated due to several reasons. So, the government supplies the water with chlorination. In some areas, water contains fluorine, which is harmful to drink. So, government has to supply clean and pure water to the people. These are the storage vessels of water. Pots, plastic can, plastic drum. Water is necessary for growing plants and trees. Water is essential for seeds to germinate and plants to live. This can be proven with a small experiment. Sow 2 seeds in 2 different mud pots. Water regularly one of them. After a week, you may find that the watered pot will have a small sprout from the seed. Hence, plants and crops grow healthy where there is sufficient water. Crops are of 2 types, dry crops and wet crops. Crops like millets, jowar, maize, red gram, green gram, etc. are called dry crops, which need less water to grow. Crops like paddy, sugarcane, cotton and vegetables etc. are called wet crops because they need continuous supply of water. Thus, lack of rains cause famine, that is, less production of crops. It results in migration. Migration means people leave that place and move to another place where they get work to do.